Meet the RPE roller press from KHD, the latest evolution in roller press technology. The ROLCOX 3.0 monitoring and control system keeps your roller press running reliably. All key parameters are visible at a glance, now directly on the machine via the integrated HMI. IO-Link technology delivers more data and configuration options while simplifying cable management. And when you need support, native remote access enables fast reaction times. The new feeding device combines a standardized deflector with an innovative skewing dosing gate that minimizes roll skewing and maintains uniform pressure across the entire roller. The result? A more even material feed and noticeably improved grinding performance. KHD's high-chrome roller surface delivers lifetimes exceeding 50,000 operating hours. Its mechanically ground profiling handles oversized and foreign materials while ensuring excellent nipping performance across varying grain sizes. No welding, no thermal damage, no micro-cracking, just durability you can rely on. The RPE's new patented frame replaces 194 pre-stressed expansion bolts with just 8 spherical bolts. Assembly and disassembly dramatically faster. The radial spherical plane bearings allow the housings to move with the movable roller, delivering the same functionality with fewer wear parts by eliminating the rubber thrust pads of older frame generations. Roller exchange, from the side or from the top. Full flexibility for your plant layout. Plus, the new frame has a smaller footprint and lower height, making your entire grinding plant more compact. Fewer and easier to replace wear parts reduce maintenance stops and downtime. Without pre-stressed bolts, the time and effort required for roller exchanges is reduced. The long-lasting high-chrome surface eliminates reprofiling, reducing stoppages. Last but not least, existing rollers and bearings are fully compatible with RPE models of the same size, offering you complete spare parts flexibility. The new roller press from KHD. Engineered for reliability, designed for efficiency, built for your bottom line. The new RPE. Economical, enhanced, efficient.